Hello to all my viewers. Nowadays, we all are eagerly waiting for some medicine or vaccine against SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19 disease. So today, we will learn about what a vaccine is and what are its different types. So let's get started. First of all, what is a vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. See, there are two types of immunity, innate immunity and acquired immunity. Innate immunity is present by birth and acquired immunity is the one that we develop after birth through vaccines. So the main purpose of vaccine is injecting the antigens. Now antigens, they are derived from the disease causing organisms and they will be kind of foreign substance for our immune system, that is disease fighting system or defense system. Okay, so the main purpose of vaccine is injecting the antigen into the body without causing the person to get sick at the same time and stimulate the immune system to develop antibodies against them. So the process of administration of vaccine is called vaccination, and the first vaccine was developed by a British doctor, Edward Jenner, in 1796 against smallpox virus. Okay, so now what constitutes a vaccine? What all ingredients are present in the vaccine? First is antigen. Okay, so antigens, they are derived from the disease causing organisms such as bacteria or viruses, and they are present in very small amount. Second is adjuvants. Because antigen is present in very small amount, so to enhance the immune system response, adjuvant is added. One of the example is aluminum. Now third is preservatives. Preservatives are mainly to protect the vaccine from outside bacteria or fungus. Example is thimerosal. Okay, and fourth is stabilizers. Stabilizers help the active ingredients such as antigens and adjuvants in vaccine to continue to work while vaccine is made, stored and moved. Examples are sugar or gelatin. Okay, so mainly preservatives and stabilizers, they are added to expand the life of vaccine. Okay, and antigens and adjuvants are main active ingredients. Now this is very important topic, types of vaccine. Now first is live attenuated vaccine. In live attenuated vaccine, the virus or the bacteria, they are live, they are not dead. Okay, so they are present in very weak form and they are asymptomatic, that is they will not cause any kind of disease. Okay, so the actual live pathogens are added the actual live pathogens are used as antigen, so the body's immune system will get excellent stimulation. Okay, examples are measles, mumps, rubella, that is MMR combined vaccine, and rotavirus vaccine. Now the second is inactivated vaccine. In inactivated vaccine, unlike live attenuated vaccine in which the virus or bacteria were live, in inactivated vaccine, the virus and bacteria, they're killed with heat or chemical and then they are introduced into the body as antigen. Because they are killed, so a person needs to have more than one shot to train the body's immune system to defend itself. So booster shots are required. Okay, examples are polio, hepatitis A and rabies vaccine. Okay, so the third is subunit vaccine. In subunit vaccine, specific protein or carbohydrates are isolated from the pathogen. Okay, not whole of the pathogen is used as antigen, but some part of it. Okay, which is very much specific to that very pathogen. Okay, example are hepatitis B and influenza virus vaccine. Now fourth is toxoid vaccine. See, some of the pathogens, they themselves do not cause any disease, but they enter into the body and using this body's mechanism, they produce toxins, okay, and because of those toxins a disease is caused. So using those toxin in vaccine as antigen makes the toxoid vaccine. All right, so it creates immunity to the part of the pathogen and that causes disease instead of whole of the pathogen. Okay, example is diphtheria and tetanus virus vaccines. Now comes the DNA vaccine. See, there are two types of genetic material, DNA and RNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is ribonucleic acid. DNA can be converted into RNA using transcription process, and the reverse can also happen using the reverse transcription process. So in DNA vaccine, DNA of the pathogen is used as antigen into the vaccine. So these DNA strands will instruct the body to produce antigen, and our immune system will recognize these antigen and produce antibodies against them. There is no such DNA vaccine present currently in the market. They are all in human testing phases. Examples are influenza and herpes virus vaccines. Okay, then comes the last type of vaccine, that is recombinant vaccine. Now, recombinant vaccine uses recombinant DNA technology, and using this picture, it might become more clear. Let's take the example of hepatitis B virus vaccine. Okay, so in this, the hepatitis B virus, see, DNA or RNA is being shown, and the hepatitis B antigen producing gene will be cut using restriction enzyme, and only this part of the gene will be used in the vaccine. Okay, now this part of the gene will be reconstructed into the plasmid that will be isolated from the bacterium. Plasmid is small circular double-stranded DNA, and using the restriction enzyme it is also being cut, and the HB antigen producing gene and the plasmid will be recombined, and this reconstruct is formed, which is recombinant DNA. Okay, now this recombinant DNA will be inserted into the some host cell, like yeast cell. Okay, in this you can use yeast cell. So it will use yeast cells mechanism and will produce HB antigen, which will be protein. Okay, this reconstruct will produce mRNA, then these mRNA will produce protein using the process of translation. Okay, now these HB antigen proteins, they will be purified from this and then will be used as HB vaccine. Okay, they will be used as antigen into the hepatitis B virus vaccine. Okay, so this is the whole process of recombinant vaccine. Now, I hope I was able to make this topic very much clear to you. So keep watching my videos for more information on similar topics. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Study Hour. Thank you.